Hi Drastic Cuties, today we're going to draw my new and hopefully improved gingerbread man. So let's get started. To draw this little gingerbread man, we're going to first start by drawing his head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just basically going to aim to draw a roundish head. So it doesn't have to be perfect circle at all, and I actually don't want it to be a perfect circle. So kind of ovalish, but big and round. So I'm just going to keep bringing this around. And we just want to aim to come back at the same level to give him a little neck. So there, I got my head in, and then from there, let's come in the center right here. So that this is pretty much the center. We're leaving a space because we have a little bow right here. So I'm going to come to the center and just draw a circle so that we can fit our little bow in. And then right here, I'm just going to draw the loops of our bow. And same thing on this side. And then come in here for a little crease. And we can just go ahead and finish off this head. Just tuck it right in. There. Okay, and then from there, let's come and draw the body. So we're going to come right where we the head ended right here, and we're going to come out. And we're going to draw the arm. So one arm is just going to come and round it off right here. So I'm not making the arm very big because I want the head to be the biggest part of this gingerbread man. So I'm just going to round it off about right there and give him nice plump hands. So same thing on this side. And bring it back. So we're approximately the same level now. So from there, we're going to draw his little body. So come down. So we're going to come at a slight slant. And let's bring it all around. So once again, nice and round and plump. So we're going to aim for the center. So before I finish that, and I'm going to come up. So about right here, I'll just draw a tiny little line. So I know that's my center. And then I'll just go ahead and connect my legs. So same thing over here. So I'm not doing any measurements because it is a gingerbread man cookie, and I don't care for it to be perfect on both sides or anything like that. I think it makes it a lot cuter. Okay, so there, I have the little body in. Now let's bring him to life. So first thing is, let's come in here and give him some drastic cute eyes, of course. So towards the edge, about right here, I'll draw a circle. So I hope this drawing inspires you to draw your own gingerbread man, however you want to decorate him. 2 circles right here. There. So let's make him draw some cute eyes. I'm going to put 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you've been following me, I drew a gingerbread man when I first started my channel years ago, and I couldn't wait to draw another new and hopefully improved gingerbread man for you. Not just the drawing, but everything else, the video quality and the explanation, everything. So hopefully this is a much more improved video that you will enjoy. So same thing on this side, so shade this part in for the eyes. So thank you once again for encouraging me to keep improving my drawings for you and for myself. Okay, and lines at the bottom. There, I have his eyes in. So then let's come to the center right here and give him a sweet little smile. And we're going to cap it off. And let's come up for his eyebrows. So I'm going to make it kind of like a little noodle shape, I guess, just so you can color it in kind of like the little frosting. So same thing on this side. So instead of just a little line, we're going to thicken it. There. And then when you're coloring it, add little cheeks right here at the bottom. And right here on the top, I'm going to give him some frosting right here. Then I'm just going to kind of drizzle on the top. And come in here and you can sprinkle whatever you want. I'm just going to add circles to make it simpler. And maybe one right here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's come in and decorate him. So on the arms and legs, I'm just going to add stripe, curvy stripe. And same thing on the bottom here. And in the center, I'm going to add some heart buttons. So I'm going to find my center about right there. And I'm just going to draw 3 hearts that go down. So as long as you find your center, and go from there and draw your heart. And one more. There. And that is pretty much it for this cute and hopefully improved gingerbread man from years ago. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.